Yeah. 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 Go, start going now.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon and welcome. Please, if you can hear me, let me know in the chat box. I need to know that you can hear me. If you can hear me, please let me know in the chat box. All right, I welcome you all to today's onboarding session. Little people are only reacting in the chat box. Please, I need your full attention and participation. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat box.
Yeah. Go start going now.
All right, that is so good. I'm glad you all can hear me. Okay, so while we're waiting for others to join in, I hope you all have gotten an email for this selection. I hope you all have gotten the curriculum rather for the training. If you've gotten the curriculum, indicate in the chat box. If you've not, let me know in the chat box as well. So for those of you that have not gotten the curriculum, have you seen the curriculum video for the session? So there is a curriculum video explaining all the activities that will be taking place during the program, what you will learn, and how you're going to learn them. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon and welcome. All right, I welcome you all to today's onboarding session. Little people are only reacting in the chat box. Please, I need your full attention and participation. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat box. Right, for PDF, I hope you all have gotten the curriculum PDF. There's also a link in the chat box. Click on the link so you can get further information on the curriculum, what you'll be learning in the program, and how you're going to be learning it.
Yeah.
The curriculum has also been sent to the groups. If you've not gotten the curriculum, they are available in the groups now. So do well to download and view them. If you have confusions or you don't understand anything, there is a link in the chat box here. Click on the link to watch the video explaining extensively what the curriculum is all about and how the training process and structure is going to be.
Go, start going now.
All right, that is so good. I'm glad. So for those joining in now, a link is in the chat box. A link has been pasted
So
in
while
the
we're
chat
waiting
box.
for others to join
Click on
in,
the link so you can further understand what the curriculum
I hope you all
explains
have gotten an email
about how the program is
the
structured
selection.
and what you'll be learning during the program period. The curriculum PDF has been sent to the group as well. If you have questions, you can ask.
I hope you all have gotten the curriculum rather for the training. If you've gotten the curriculum, indicate in the chat box. If you've not, let me know in the chat box as well.
Okay, the curriculum PDF is in the groups. A link is also in the chat box right now. Click on the link to view the videos for the curriculum. The PDFs for the curriculum itself has been shared to the groups. So go to the groups, Telegram and WhatsApp groups to view the PDF version of the curriculum. The video
So
version
for those of you that have not
link
gotten the
has been
curriculum,
pasted.
have you
So
seen the
click on
curriculum
it
video
and go to the YouTube channel
for the session?
to view the videos. If you have
So
questions,
there is a
you
curriculum
can
video
ask or comment
explaining
on the video
all the activities that will
to
be
answer
taking
your
place
questions.
during the program, what you will learn, and how you're going to learn them.
Okay, so while that is going on, do not forget we are also live on YouTube. So you can join this session live on YouTube. If you can use Zoom,
Hello,
or
everyone.
you can join using Zoom, you can
Good
join
afternoon.
YouTube live.
All right,
Inform
I
your
welcome you
friends as
all
well.
to
For those
today's
that cannot be
onboarding
able to join
session.
using Zoom, to join using YouTube live.
Little people are only reacting in the chat box. Please, I need your full attention and participation. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat box.
If you can't join in this program using the Zoom app or the Zoom link, we are live on YouTube, so you can join us on YouTube live.
Right.
The curriculum link
PDF.
is in
I
the
hope
chat
you all have
box.
gotten the curriculum PDF. There's also a link in the chat box. Click
So
on the
either
link
way,
so you can get further information
so you can
on
view
the
the
curriculum,
video.
what you'll be learning in the program,
The PDF
and
version
how
is
you're
in
going
the
to
group
be
as well.
learning it.
For those joining in, a PDF has been sent to you on the group containing the curriculum for the program, and a link has also been
The curriculum has also been sent to the groups.
where
If you've not gotten the curriculum, they are available in the groups now. So do well to download and view them.
what you'll be learning during
If you
this
have
program.
confusions or you don't understand anything, there is a link in the chat box here. Click on the link to watch the video explaining extensively what the curriculum is all about and how the training process and structure
you all are welcome.
is going to be. All right, that is so good. I'm glad. So for those joining in now, a link is in the chat box. A link has been pasted
so while
in the
we're
chat
waiting
box,
for others to join
click on
in,
the link so you can further understand what the curriculum I hope you all have gotten an email about how the program is structured and what you'll be learning during the
If you did not get the link to the curriculum video, let me know in the chat box.
The curriculum PDF has been sent to the group as well. If you have questions, you can ask. I hope you all have gotten the curriculum, rather, for the training.
So today, we'll be discussing extensively
if you've gotten the curriculum
on the tools
indicate in the chat box. If you've not, let me know in the chat box as well.
On how to use the tools you'll be using, to know the tools itself, and what you'll be using these tools for.
Okay, the curriculum PDF is in the groups. A link is also in the chat box right now. Click on the link to view the videos for the curriculum. The PDFs for the curriculum itself has been shared to the groups. So go to the groups, Telegram and WhatsApp groups to view the PDF version of the curriculum. The video version. So for those of you that have not gotten the curriculum, have you seen the curriculum video? And go to the YouTube channel for the session, view the videos. If you have questions, there is a curriculum video or comment explaining on the video all the activities that will be taking place during the program, what you will learn, and how you're going to learn them. Okay, so while that is going on, do not forget we are also live on YouTube.
So you can join this session live on YouTube. If you can use Zoom,
hello everyone.
You can join using Zoom. You can
Good
join
afternoon.
YouTube live.
Well, all right, I welcome you all to today's onboarding session.
Using Zoom to join using YouTube live.
Little people are only reacting in the chat box. Says I need your full attention and participation. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat box.
If you can join in this program using the Zoom app or the Zoom link, we are live on YouTube, so you can join us on YouTube live. Welcome to today's session. So for those that are new here and you really do not understand what the program is all about, that is the TVET.
Right, the curriculum link PDF is in the chat box. In the curriculum PDF, there's also a link in the chat box.
You can
click on the link so you can get further information on the curriculum, what you'll be learning in the program,
PDF version
how you're going to be learning.
If you have questions, you can ask. For those joining in, the chat box is open. A PDF has been sent to you on the group containing the curriculum for the program. And the curriculum has also been sent to the groups. If you've not gotten the curriculum, they are available in the groups now. So do well to download and view them. If you have confusions or you don't understand anything, there is a link in the chat box here. Click on the link to watch the video explaining extensively what the curriculum is all about and how the training process and structure is going to be. Go ahead and share my screen with you.
All right, that is so good. I'm glad.
So for those joining in now, a link is in the chat box. A link has been
so while we're waiting for others to join in,
on the link so you can further understand what the curriculum
I hope you all have gotten an email
about how the program is structured and what you'll be learning during the. If you did not get the link to the curriculum video, let me know in the chat box. The curriculum PDF has been sent to the group as well. You all can see my
if you have questions, you can ask. I hope you all have gotten the curriculum, rather, for the training.
So today, we'll be discussing
if you've gotten the curriculum,
on the
indicate in the chat box.
So we'll move on.
If you've not, let me know in the chat box as well.
On how to use the tools, the tools you'll be using to know the tools itself, and what you'll be using these tools. And so in support from the World Bank. Right. So let's get to understand the program rules and expectations that we need to meet for the program. So first, we need to commit to learning. So for you to make the most out of the TVET program, your commitment matters. It's not just about attending classes. It's about showing up ready to learn, to practice, and to grow every day. That is what matters. And to do this, you need to stay engaged, which means you need to participate actively in every sessions. We have the Zoom and we have the YouTube Live. So we need you all to participate actively, because your active participation promotes your learning ability. And we also need you to be consistent. Your regular attendance and focus is a key factor in this program. We need you to apply your skills, practice what you learn, and turn your knowledge into results. That is a fundamental attribute for your success in the program. Because the effort you put in will directly shape your skills and confidence. And that will open opportunities for you after the program. Remember that this program is a 6 month program that includes a 3 month Yes. Can you all hear me? I hope you all can hear me. I'm sorry for the interruption. Please, if you can hear me, let me know in the chat box.
This meeting is being recorded.
Thank you, thank you. So sorry for the interruption. All right, so we move on. So for the punctuality for this program, you should remember that all online classes and training program. All right. Move on to assessments and assignments for this program, which will also encourage you to submit your assignments on time because that is crucial for this learning environment. Talking about the online learning environment. Because when you promptly complete your tasks,
The recording has stopped.
it shows responsibility and it keeps you on track, ensuring you do not fall behind while others move on. So it helps you stay on the same pace with others so that whenever any information is passed, you're relating and you're moving on as well. Do well to submit assignments that reflect your work and your efforts. All right? Because copying is strictly prohibited. And you should know as well that that undermines your learning ability. It shows that you are not learning well, and then you are not really getting something for yourself. Okay? Your original work demonstrates your creativity, your integrity, and the mastery of the skills you're being taught. So if at any point you don't understand anything, do well to ask questions, right? And also do well to indicate responsibly. All right, so we'll move on to communication and conduct. Here, we value respectful languages, and we encourage you to always communicate respectfully with your peers, your trainers, and your facilitators, because polite language fosters a positive learning environment. So we are simply saying we should all acknowledge ourselves as adults and communicate effectively and clearly. We also have zero tolerance to bullying, harassment, and abusive behavior of any form. That is highly prohibited and will not be tolerated. So we advise everyone to be safe and well behaved to support an encouraging space for learning. Remember that your behavior, both in person and online, reflects your professional standards, which is very important to this program because it reflects real workplace expectations for this program. So we advise you be of professional standards during the period of this program. We advise you follow instructions and adhere to guidance from your trainers and facilitators because that will ensure smooth learning safety and is going to prepare you for real world professional environments. All right. All we are doing here is for us to all work together to achieve a specific purpose, which is learning the skills that we do not know and getting to master them as well. I will talk about proper the Linkskool Learning Management app, which is the first app we'll be using for this program. All right. So Linkskool is the official learning management platform for the TVET program. And we expect and require you all to use this learning app effectively for your learning activity. All right. So we'll be guiding you on how to download, install, and use this app. But first, let's understand what we'll be using these apps for. So we're using this app for accessing our class links and schedules. We'll be using them to receive announcements and updates, right? That has to do with our classes and sections. The online platforms are not neglected, like the Telegram and the WhatsApp, but this is going to be specifically for your class sections, everything you'll be learning in the class, your class activities, quiz, assignments. The app will be used for all of that. So here you also be viewing your learning materials, submitting assignments, and also keep track of your participation and your progress. Now, how do we use this Linkskool app? The Linkskool app is available on Google Play Store for Android users. So you move on to your Google Play Store and get the app. I'll be showing you how to do that. For the iOS users, you have your Apple App Store. So you can go to your Apple App Store and get the app. Linkskool can also be accessed on a desktop or laptop, right? And yes, we should know that all official learning activities, announcements, and assignments will be shared on this Linkskool app. So we'll get you started on how to download, install, and use the app properly. All right, so using a smartphone or your Android device, make sure you have an active internet connection and space on your phone. So before I move on to downloading this app, I want to be sure that we are following. So if you can really hear me and you're following, please let me know in the chat box so we move on. Sorry, let me share my screen again. Can you all see my screen now? Can you all see my screen now? All right. All right, so we go again. I'm going to take that again. So go to your Google Play Store, open your Google Play Store on your mobile device. And in the search bar, you type in Linkskool. Linkskool, Linkskool. Linkskool. So you select the official app that has this logo. The logo you are seeing on the screen now, the official app has this logo. So select it and click on download or install. So after you've downloaded it and installed it, I guess we all at the same page. Please, I need you to respond in the chat box if you have the app already installed. At this point, if you've downloaded the Linkskool app, please let me know in the chat box. All right, so hold on for some moments for those that are yet to download and install the app. All right. So after you've downloaded and installed this app, you click on open. Click on open. After you've opened the app, you navigate through the dashboard and you get started. You click on get started. Are we all following? Yes, this is the mobile app. This works on phone. The app is available on Play Store. Okay, so this app has been effectively developed for this program to help with the smooth running of the activities that we all will be doing during the program. So as we're waiting on for people to get the app downloaded, this app was built solely for this program, for the TVET Creative Media Program, to help us all navigate through the process of assignments, submissions, quizzes, our training contents, and what have you. That was why this app was built. So if you have the app already, let me know in the chat box. This app is available on Google Play Store. Okay, for those using iOS device, the iOS version of the app is in view, but the Android version is available on Play Store. So the app will soon be available on the App Store. But if you have an Android device, you can do well to download the app using the Google Play Store. All right, if you have the app downloaded already, let me know so we move on to navigating on how we can access our courses and how we can complete our assignments and our quiz on the app. Okay, if you're just joining in, I'll take this again. All right, so we are installing the Linkskool app. And to install that, please, I need you all to listen carefully. To install the Linkskool app, a link will be sent to the group chat. That's the chat box, this Zoom chat box. And a link is also sent to the groups, the Telegram and the WhatsApp group. So if you can't really access your Google Play Store, click on that link to direct it to download and install the app immediately. Okay? So if you're just joining in and you're yet to download and install the app, click on the link in the groups to download and install the app. So I'll be sending the link to the chat box. So if you can't access your Google Play Store, you'll be able to click on the link to download it. For those using the iOS device, that is iPhones, the app will soon be available on the App Store. All right. So if you have an Android device, you can do well to download using the Android device so you can flow with how to navigate through the app. So the link to download the app is in the chat box. Click on the link to download the app if you can't really access your Google Play Store at this moment. So you all okay, so there's also a desktop version of this app. The link is in the chat box already, and the link will be sent to the groups so you can access it from either the chat box or the group and download the app. All right. So I hope we all have downloaded the apps. All right. So we'll move on to getting started with this app. So after we've downloaded the app, I'll go back a bit. You open the app. Okay. You open the app or locate the app in your apps, the apps on your phone. Locate the app, open it. So after you've opened it, you navigate through the dashboard by getting started. So you click on get started. So after you've gotten started with the app, we click on programs. So you look below, you're going to see icons like home, programs, portal, e-library, settings. So you click on programs. Click on programs. Then on programs, this is where you see the courses for the TVET Creative Media Production Program. Now, for each of these programs, you have to enroll for each of them. So we have TVET program overview, that is a course, and we have fundamentals of creative media production, which is another course on its own. All right. So after that, you click on each of this course. So I'm gonna click on it. When you click, it's gonna ask you to sign in using your Google account. So you click on sign in with Google and select the account, your Google account, the account you want to use for the app. After that, it's gonna tell you that you signed in successfully. Okay. I hope you all are with me. Please, if you're with me, let me know so no one will be left behind. Okay, if the app didn't show you get started, that is fine. So you click on programs. When you click on programs, I'm taking that again, it's going to show you the courses available. And as well, other courses will still be added to these courses, to the already existing courses that we have here. So for now, we have 2 available courses. Now, for you to view this course, you have to sign in using your Google account. After you've signed in, you're going to enroll for the course. Okay. So after you've signed in, the next thing is to locate the course and enroll. So you locate the course and you enroll. So to enroll for this course, I'm going to send you the link. If you don't understand how you can enroll for the course, I'm going to send you a link. This link is a link that explains the curriculum guidelines, all right, that teaches you what the course is all about. So a link will be sent to the chat box to explain the course content for you. Okay, so I hope you all have enrolled. So once you enroll, the next step is to view your course materials. Now, when you enroll, to be seeing the course content that includes lessons and materials. For you to view the course content for each of these lessons, you click on one lesson. Now, each lesson contains an overview of the course materials to be downloaded. There's a downloadable version of these materials and recorded videos concerning that particular course material. So if you cannot download the materials, you can as well watch the videos, or maybe you downloaded them and you don't understand what it explains. You can watch the videos to guide you properly on what to do with those content that you've downloaded or with the materials that you've downloaded. All right. So there also you can take a quiz for each lesson. Each lesson would be containing a quiz and an assignment. Okay. So this is where you take the quiz for the this is for the material download and this is for the quiz. Okay. And this is for the assignments. Can you all hear me? lessons will be added to this course contents. All right. So now we are unveiling the app to show you how to navigate through to be able to get the materials for your course, to be able to take quiz concerning them, and to complete the assignments for each of them. Please, if you don't understand anything, please ask questions. Okay, for you to see the course on the app, I'm going to take that again. Okay, for those of you that are finding it difficult to navigate through the app, do not worry. I got your back and I have you covered. So I'm going to send a demonstration video showing you exactly how you can get your course content, your course materials, how you can take quiz and complete assignments using the Linkskool app. All right. Don't bother and don't panic. A video link will be sent to the group chat and also the chat box here on Zoom, showing you how to navigate through the app. All right. So we move on to, for those on YouTube as well, before we move on, for those on YouTube as well, a video will be sent to you showing you exactly how to navigate through the app to access your course content, download your course materials, complete your quizzes and assignments using the Linkskool app. All right. You can also take your time to explore the app, and we're going to be moving on using the Linkskool. So, like I said before, the Linkskool app will be used officially for everything that has to do with the course materials and content. So, our advice, we read announcements carefully, submit assignments through the app, and follow instructions shared on the platform. All right. And here are the important reminders. Remember that Linkskool is the one and only official platform for this program. Like I said, it was designed specifically for this program. And information shared outside the Linkskool may not be official. So be advised. Do not share your link login details with anyone as well. Okay. So the video will be sent to the groups and the links shared also to the groups where you access the video showing you how to navigate through the app to view your course materials, assignments, and quizzes on the app. Do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on notification icon so you get notified when we upload any video concerning this program, so you will not be left behind. I hope you all are following. Are we all on the same page? Right, so we move on to essential apps for the TVET training. So we have the Zoom, which is used for the live online classes, the workshops, and interactive sessions. And we are expected to join on time, stay attentive, and participate just as you would in a physical classroom. All right, so we encourage you all, and we also applaud those who are active here today and live, joining in and interacting with this section. We also have email, which is the official channel for formal communication. They will share important notices, feedbacks, and documentation. So you're expected to check it regularly and respond professionally when required. Okay, so there is an important announcement before I move on. For those of us that have been saying that they received calls from us, please, we do not call anyone. We don't call people. So we have these platforms to use in sending you announcements or messages or important documents that concerning this program specifically. So please, any call you receive from anyone, it is not from us. All right. So be advised. We also have WhatsApp, which is for urgent announcements, strictly for quick reminders and important updates. And you should know that WhatsApp is not a substitute for Linkskool, all right? So it should not be used for casual discussions or sharing unofficial information. Telegram is also another platform we use in sharing learning resources, recorded sessions, and group updates. Okay? So all tools provided are exclusively for learning purposes. The practical and editing apps will vary depending on your specific training track. Okay, so the apps you'll be using for the editing, script writing, and all of that will be learned during this program will be sent to you depending on your specific training track. Okay, so the demo video will still be sent to the WhatsApp group. And after that, the group will be open for a short while. So please, while the group is open, please remember to maintain our rules. Use respectful languages and communicate with caution. All right. So, digital responsibility and consequences. Now, you should know that your digital footprint matters. And that means you should keep login details secure, check the learning platforms regularly, use apps responsibly and professionally. And please do not misuse communication platforms because your digital behavior reflects your readiness for the industry, right? So for people that are joining in, I'm going to take that again. Remember that your digital footprint matters. So please, you're advised to keep your login details secure, check the learning platforms regularly, and use apps responsibly and professionally. Do not misuse communication platforms, and you should know that your digital behavior reflects your readiness for the industry. Now, failure to comply with program guidelines may lead to missed learning opportunities, poor assessment or incomplete records, and possible disqualification from the program. Okay, because the TVET is designed for focused and committed learners. So your seriousness and consistency is essential for your success. So we advise you to seize your opportunity, right? Because this program offers a valuable opportunity to develop practical, real-world skills that can shape your future. And what you gain from this experience will deepen on your level of commitment, discipline, and willingness to learn. So please remember to respect the program rules, use all learning tools responsibly, take ownership of your learning journey, and you should know that we are glad to have you here. Like, we are so glad to have you on this program. And once again, welcome to TVET. So now we'll be showing you how to download and use Linkskool on the desktop, laptop, or PC. All right. So we'll be guiding you through the steps on doing that. So first, you need your laptop or a desktop computer. So for those that were not able to download using their mobile device because they couldn't access the Linkskool on their app store, that is for those using iPhones, this is another opportunity for you to learn how to navigate through the Linkskool platform using your desktop computer. So please ensure you have a stable connection. And of course, you can use any modern browser to access this, like the Chrome, the Edge, Firefox, or Safari. So any of these browsers you have, please bring it on so we can download and navigate using the desktop app. Okay, so first, open your web browser, enter the Linkskool web address provided by our team. So I'll be sending the link to the group chat, to the chat box. Sorry. So the link to download the desktop app is in the chat box. The link will also be sent to the groups. So you'll be able to download your desktop app from your computer, on your computer. Right? The link to download the desktop app has been sent to the chat box to be sent to the groups, the WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So you'll be able to click on it and download the desktop app. The link is in the chat box. So have you all gotten the link? So, So I hope you all have gotten the link and you've downloaded the desktop app. So I'm going to send the link again. The link is in the chat box. It's also on the WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So please click the link to download the desktop app. I've sent it to you. Have you all downloaded the desktop app? Have you all downloaded the desktop app? Okay, so the Linkskool app comes in two types. We have the mobile app and the desktop app. So we've already discussed about how to download the mobile app. And if you did not get that quite correctly, do not worry because we have you covered. So the video will be sent to the YouTube channels and the Telegram channels explaining how you can navigate through the mobile app, how you can download, install, and access your course materials using the mobile app. But right now, we are moving on to downloading and installing the desktop app, right? Showing you how to navigate the desktop app that is using your desktop computer or your laptop, all right? So for those of us joining in now, I'm super sorry for you being late, but then do not worry because we'll be sharing a video of the downloading process on YouTube and Telegram. All right. So for those of us that cannot access the desktop app, the mobile app is accessible on Play Store. Okay. For those using iPhones, there's iOS devices, the app will soon be on App Store. So for those of us that cannot use the app on our mobile devices, that is for those using iPhones, the app is accessible on the desktop app. That is using your web browsers, you can access them. Okay, on your PCs or your desktop computers. Right, so if we all have the app installed on our desktops, please let me know in the chat box so we move on to installation and navigation. The link is still in the chat box. If you're yet to install the desktop app, please click the link in the chat box. All right, so we'll move on to installing the desktop app on our computers and navigating through them. All right, so if you have the desktop app installed, I'm going to share my screen to show you what to do. So you go to download, right? You have on your file explorer, so using your desktop, you go to your Windows Explorer and you click on the downloaded version, so you get them installed on your computer. So I'm going to double click on this. So when you double click, a dialog box is going to appear. All right, so you click on run. So it will ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. You click yes. You choose yes. Then after that, we're installing the app. Installation. So as you can see on your screen, that is the interface of the Linkskool app. So if you've downloaded and installed the Linkskool app on your desktop or your PC, you should be having what is on the screen right now. So for you to navigate to view courses, you click on Learn. So after you click on Learn, you have categories. So you select the category which you need. That is the TVET Creative Media Program. So when you select it, it shows you the courses available. So right now, there are no much courses available, but courses will be uploaded and added to the desktop app. So we only have one course here. That is the selection exercise, right? So the first class for this program would be on Wednesday. The first ever official class for the program would be on Wednesday. Okay, so before Wednesday, courses will be added to this platform for both the desktop and the mobile app. All right. So you have the apps at your disposal. So here you can take course. So I'm going to take this course, and there is a video there. So I'm going to repeat this. Once you have the desktop app downloaded on your desktop computer or your laptop, you click on Learn. There are different tabs here. You have the CBT, you have the CBT, you have typing, you have Learn, and you have videos. So you click on Learn and you select the category which you want. So the category we are moving for is the TVET Creative Media Program. So when you click on it, you have courses available under the TVET Creative Media Program. But right now, the only course available here is the selection exercise. And for you to do that, you click on Take Course. So when you take the course, you answer questions available, take quiz, and submit assignments. So for you to participate in any course, you click on that course right? So inside that course, you get to access the quiz and assignments for that particular course. But right now, there are no much courses available. Courses are still going to be added to this platform. All right. All right. So, like I said, the official class for the program, the first ever official class for this program, will be starting on Wednesday. On Wednesday, which is the 4th of February 2026. So the official class for the TVET program, the first ever official class, will be starting on the 4th of February. That is next week, the 4th of next month. All right, so if you have questions, please ask me your questions. Please, if you have questions, ask me your questions, okay? Okay, so if you don't know how to navigate the app, a demo video will be sent to the WhatsApp and the Telegram channels. And all the group chats will be open tomorrow. So please be alert. All the group chats will be open tomorrow, which is Saturday, and on Sundays. Okay? A demo video will also be sent showing you how to navigate through the Linkskool app and the desktop app. Okay, so do not worry if you did not understand what was shown today. All right. If you're yet to get the curriculum has been, the PDF version of the curriculum has been sent to the groups, both WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So you can go there and download the curriculum. Now, if you have questions from the curriculum, we also have a video explaining everything in the curriculum, the structure of the program, and all. All right. If you have questions, ask your questions in the comments of the video. And please do well to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we make a video concerning this program, you'll be able to get these videos. All right. So the time for the classes has been explained in the curriculum. All right. So if you've not seen the curriculum video, do well to watch the curriculum video. All right. The link is in the chat box for you to access it. So yes, I said something about opening the groups. So the groups will be open tomorrow and next for a brief period. All right. Please, if you have any concerns, any questions, please respectfully table your questions in the group. Okay. All questions will be answered. The curriculum has been sent to the groups. It's in the WhatsApp groups and in the Telegram groups. Please, if you have questions, ask me your questions in the chat box. Okay. So if you need further explanations on what the curriculum is all about, a video is available for you to watch and be guided on what you'll be learning and how you'll be learning. The PDF version of the curriculum is also in the group, so you can download it and view it yourself. So like I said, the group will be open tomorrow and next for a brief period. So if you have questions concerning anything about the program, you table your questions respectfully on the group. Okay. Okay, so the selection process will be concluded next week before the classes. All right. And an email will be sent to you if you're selected. So do not worry about the selection. If you're selected, an email will be sent to you, and that will be concluded before the official class. All right, so I'm opening the groups tomorrow. So each of these groups will be opened one after the other. So a time is allocated to a particular group to air their questions and clarifications concerning the program. And please, in doing that, remember to do it respectfully. Okay. All right. If you have questions, ask me your questions. Okay, you can join the class on YouTube Live and on Zoom. We have a recorded section on a YouTube channel. So you can go to the channel, subscribe to it so you get notified anytime we upload the video concerning the program. All right. If you have questions, please ask me your questions. hope you all can hear me. You should not be worried about the selection process. That will be concluded before the official class, and an email will be sent to you. So the advice, you receive an email from us before the official class. Okay, time for the Wednesday class to be sent to the group chats and the Telegram groups as well. All has already been explained in the curriculum video. So if you've not seen the video, click the link in the chat box or the links are also in the group, so you can access the links from the group to watch the videos. All right, thank you all for joining in. So we'll be seeing you all in the next session. All right, have a good evening.